YouTube's demonetizing AI channels. Everyone's crying, but let's be real. Adsense was never reliable. It's a trap for new creators. You grind for 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subs just to make pennies, if anything at all. Most YouTubers don't know any better. They wait months for Adsense and then wonder why they're broke. Not me. And after this video, not you either. This channel will teach you how to monetize your videos without AdSense from day one. I made $18,000 from my first video, no AdSense. And that wasn't a one-off. Almost all of my YouTube money comes from affiliate products, not ad revenue. Which is why I don't care if YouTube demonetizes AI channels. You guys don't usually watch very long. Here's a promise. If you give me 9 minutes, you'll know exactly which 3 faceless niches to start and what to sell to hit $10,000 a month, without ever relying on AdSense. Let's clear up the panic. YouTube is not banning specific AI tools. I've seen coaches tell students that YouTube is banning specific software, and that's why they should use the software they promote in the course. That's garbage. There's no banned software list. They don't care if you use VO3, ChatGPT, CapCut, or Subscriber. What they care about is us faceless creators flooding the internet with trash, lazy, mass-produced, zero-effort content. Here's the red flag pattern. Prompt, auto-generate full video, upload, repeat 100 times. For example, here's a channel I found working with a coaching client this week. 50,000 subscribers. Channel is 3 months old, but has 506 long-form videos. YouTube immediately called BS on this and demonetized their videos. Even their most popular video with 3.5 million views. If your channel is just prompt, generate, upload, repeat, no editing, no new ideas, that's what gets flagged. That's what gets demonetized. Using AI as a helper? Totally fine. Writing scripts with AI? Fine. Generating voiceovers? Great. Using stock footage? No problem. Editing in Canva or CapCut? All good. The difference is the human element. Are you making creative decisions? Are you adding value? Is each video unique? YouTube rewards original, authentic content. It punishes content farms like the one you just saw. AI is a tool. Your intent and execution matter. Blame channels like this if you were recently demonetized. Let this be a lesson. Don't rely on AdSense anyway. I'll show you how to monetize from day one. That's the policy. Now here's how to make $10,000 a month with AI videos. No AdSense needed. 3 faceless channel types. What to sell, how much you make. Real channels doing it now. All proof from NexLev. Starts at $17 a month, or try it free. Use code HARVEST for 20% off. Link below. Let's go. Niche number 1, AI finance avatars. AI avatars giving finance advice. Sounds sketchy? It is. But this channel makes it work. His channel trailer proves that he's a real person using an AI avatar, so YouTube leaves him alone. Channel is 2 months old, 73,000 subs, gets 970,000 views a month. I'm writing this February 22. He got monetized through AdSense literally yesterday, but his RPM is almost $9. But who cares? Selling stuff? Way bigger money. What to sell? Credit cards. $100 per customer. eToro trading, $400 per sign-up. Coursera finance courses, 45% cut, $135 to $225 per sale. How much you make? Finance videos, 3 out of 100 click links, 2% buy. Math time, 970,000 views, 582 sales at $150 each. That's $87,300 from selling. Add $8,680 from AdSense. Total, $96,000 per month. YouTube bans your AdSense? So what? You still make $87,300. Type money in the comments if you're still here. Like and sub. This is hard, and that stuff motivates me. I know you're salivating for more niches. Wipe your mouth and come on. Niche number 2, AI history reconstructions. AI history reconstructions. AI characters walk you through ancient cities, lost empires, or famous events. This channel is 2 months old, has 77,000 subscribers, and gets over 1 million views. All AI, no face, no camera. recently demonetized because they didn't do what the first channel in our video did to prove there was a human making the content. They didn't know any better. You do. What to sell? Curiosity stream, $6 to $8 per sign-up. History courses on Coursera, 45% commission. History books on Amazon, 4.5% cut. How much you make? History fans? 2 out of 100 click, 2% buy. The math? 1 million views, 200 sales at $50 each. That's $10,000 from selling. Add 6,836 Adsense if you're lucky. Total, 16,836 per month. YouTube demonetizes you? You still make $10,000. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Adsense is unreliable. Make money from your first video. Niche number 3, AI elder wisdom. AI old person avatars, giving life advice. Sounds dumb, works anyway. This channel gets 409,000 views a month. Now it was monetized a few days ago, but YouTube demonetized it recently. It was making $3,270 per month. YouTube took that away. But here's something they can't take away. Affiliate products. What to sell? Self-help books. Amazon, 4.5% cut. Life coaching programs. High ticket. Retirement planning tools. How much you make? Wisdom content, 2 out of 100 click, 2% buy. What's the math? 409,000 views, 163 sales at $100 each. That's $16,300 from selling. Add 3,270 AdSense if lucky. Total, $19,630 per month. Even without AdSense, you still clear $16,000 a month. How to make these videos. You don't need fancy stuff. Just 4 tools, links in the description. ChatGPT writes your scripts. ElevenLabs does your voice. Pictory makes your videos. Pixels makes your thumbnails. 90 minutes total, not 8 hours. If you want to stop guessing and actually make money, check out Dave Nick's online business club. This is where I learned half of what I'm teaching you. He posts new faceless niches every single week for his students. Stuff you won't find anywhere else. Honestly, that alone is worth the price. If you want to skip the trial and error and just copy what's working, use my link below. Yes, it's an affiliate link. Yes, I make money if you buy. No, it doesn't cost you extra. But if you're tired of being a YouTube peasant and want to actually earn, this is where you start. 3 niches, all $10,000 plus, 0 AdSense needed. Type 1, AI finance avatars, $96,000 potential. Type 2, AI history reconstructions, $16,836 potential. Type 3, AI elder wisdom, $19,630 potential. All proven, real channels. I can't promise you'll hit $10,000. Your results depend on you. But the channels are real. The method is real. You don't need AdSense. You need the right niche, right products, right tools. This channel is about monetizing from day one. No AdSense required. 3 niches, $10,000 each. No AdSense. Remember Pictory? Go sign up now if you haven't. All that proof? NexLev, $17 a month. Free trial. Code HARVEST for 20% off. Someone watching now already signed up for Pictory, already joined NexLev, making their first AI video today, making their first $100 this week. Will you just watch or will you start? Like button if this helped. Comment which niche you're picking. Follow me. I share what works every week. YouTube thinks you'll love this next video. Your move.